Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do something super exciting, a quick unboxing of several products and the decoration of my studio because I am preparing a special space for something that has me very excited. If you're new to my channel, I am Danny, digital illustrator and entrepreneur, and here I share everything related to my path in this world of art and a small business community. It's time to start the unboxing. Coco, as always, is here supervising the entire process and checking that the box within the box is everything we're waiting for. And so, here I present to you the HTVRont sublimation machine. I had seen many videos of other illustrators who create their physical products at home, and this machine is one of the essential ones to undertake in the world of sublimation. And here we have it, to start creating beautiful new projects. Now we go with the second unboxing, and this time we have a Brother brand sublimation printer. When we open the box, the first thing we find is 4 inks needed to sublimate: black, cyan, magenta, and yellow, the power cable, and of course the printer. For those who don't know, a sublimation printer is the perfect tool for printing designs that are then heat transferred to different surfaces, such as tote bags, mugs, t-shirts, and more. Now, the user manual, which explains everything very clearly. I recommend reading it before starting. It is also super short. It also comes with an envelope with sublimation printing paper, so we can use the printer from the first moment, which I thought was a super practical detail. Something that I found very curious is that, according to the manual, before turning on the printer, we must add the paper to the tray, making sure to identify well which is the printable side of the paper. I had to plug it in or turn it on, but I was already worried about the paper. I thought it was very funny, but I think I put it in correctly. Once the paper is placed in, we connect the machine and turn it on. We follow the steps indicated on the screen, we configure the language, we install each ink cartridge in its corresponding place according to the specific instructions on the screen, because these indicate that you must shake each cartridge in this specific way before installing it in the printer. Before deciding on this printer, I did a lot of research and watched several videos comparing different printer models. In the end, this was the big winner because it offers quality, ease of use, and incredible results, in addition to having a good price. After this, the printer performs an initial calibration. This process is very quick and essential for everything to be perfect. And then it prints a test sheet where we make sure that the figures and line it prints are correct. To be honest, I thought the print was a little bit faded, and I made several attempts, but it turns out that printing from a sublimation printer is usually this way, with the colors looking faded, but they come to life once the ink is exposed to the heat. If you're interested in learning more about this process, follow me, because very soon I will be sharing how I create my first sublimation product. Now let's continue with decorating the wall above my new desk. I was recently at IKEA and finally got something I had always wanted: my dream pegboard. It's simple and super practical, perfect for organizing tools, materials, and it gives a unique touch to the space. After hanging the board, I continue with some frames that I also bought at IKEA. I chose different sizes from 10 by 15 centimeters to a larger size, 21 by 30 centimeters, to put some of my favorite illustrations in. I want this corner to reflect my style and give more life to my studio. I must say that I am not an expert with a drill, but I can defend myself enough to hang everything I need. So with patience and care, I finished installing both the pegboard and the frames. This Sunday was perfect. It rained a lot in the afternoon, which made this moment much more cozy. So I took the opportunity to install several accessories from the same store on the board and added some colorful details that made it even more special. Now, every time I look at this wall, I will feel like I'm in a space that truly inspires me. I love how it's turning out. To end this day, and because it is already getting dark, I opened one of the small boxes that arrived in the mail. These are some Teflon sheets necessary for the sublimation process. And last but not least, these are the tote bags that I ordered to print with my personalized designs and images. I was a little worried that they would be too small, but I think they're a very good size. They are 31 centimeters wide by 36 centimeters tall. And to give you an idea of the size, I put my 13-inch laptop inside and it fit perfectly. I plan to use mine to store my dog Lola's things, but they are also perfect for carrying your computer, books, small purchases, and more. For my third day of unboxing, I left one last box to unpack, and to be honest, I had forgotten what else I had ordered. And it was something very important and special. This is a ream of brother paper for sublimation. This time we have the mini heat press, also from HTVRont, which is super practical and perfect for those small and quick prints. If you want to see more details of all the machines that I showed you in this video, I'll leave you the links below in the description box. And this is how my studio is coming along. I am very happy with how this little corner of my studio is turning out. It's been a few days full of inspiration and organization, and I can't wait to start creating more things. Also, don't forget to follow me so you don't miss how I create my first custom tote bag. Thank you for joining me in this video, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye!